Okay, so hello you guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do one of the quickest hairstyles that I can do that I know I'm going to look good in. How I install my hair quickly as well as style it quickly. The install came out pretty good for a little quick got to be install, I'm not gonna lie. And I do like my curls and everything like that. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look in under an hour, then be sure to stay on tune because we're about to get on into it. Let's go. Then I'm going to be showing you guys how you can kind of speed up the process a little bit and streamline things if you are running late. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is start off with a darker wig cap than maybe you typically would. This just saves time for having to do concealer and all the things like that. Also, what you're going to want to do is make sure your lace is tinted. I use Eben tint spray. This isn't my favorite, but it's something that you can use. And then last but not least, you guys, you're gonna make sure that, you know, honestly for me, I probably could do a glue down in the same amount of time now because I've been working with glue a little bit more recently. But for today's sake, because this wig doesn't need to stay on forever, I am going to be doing a glueless wig and just using old reliable Got2b. You guys know if you watch some of my previous wig install videos that I actually prefer ORS products now. I just don't have anymore. If I did, y'all, I would definitely be using ORS. The ORS gel that's like kind of the equivalent to this. Let me see actually if I have the old tube. I don't think I do, because it spills so easily. Don't understand why, but I wish I had the old tube to at least show you guys, but you guys I'm sure have probably seen what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. So I'll go ahead and apply a thin layer and I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry. And I'm actually going to apply this wig because I already know how it sits on my hairline. I'm gonna apply it one side at a time. Okay, and I'm just going to apply it like so. And I did not mean to press these baby hairs down. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and do the opposite side. I'm going to simply pull down the other side. Just like so. And then I'm just gently, because this hair is coming up, y'all. This lace is coming up, just applying some hair clips just so the hair can kind of stay out of the way. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna to kind of sculpt out my baby hairs. This side honestly could be plucked more because of how I cut the lace. I cut like some of the gradualness out of the like frontal, if that makes sense. Oh, I'm probably like, girl, what are you talking about? Just go with it, y'all. Just go with it. Okay, that is pulled out. Next, I'm gonna cut them about 1 inch. I like to curl these sometimes, but I don't have the time for that today. Sometimes, y'all, you gotta work with the time that you have. today I don't have that time. So I'm gonna be using the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. I absolutely love this stuff for doing like edges. Okay, these might look a bit outrageous, but that's okay. And then I like to go in, after I do that, I like to go in with either my edge booster or some more black gel. I'm gonna go in with edge booster though today, just cause that's what I wanna use. But, cause I don't wanna overdo it with the white cast of that, but that works amazing. And then, okay, now after I do that, I'm going to use a piece of the Rapid Junior Styling Strips first. Now onto styling the hair. I'm going to be doing kind of like a loose curl situation, and I'm using the Hot Tools Professional. I think this is 1.5 inch a barrel. Y'all know I always forget, but these curls are not gonna be anything like super tight. This hair, I will say this, and an honest review of this hair, it does not hold the tightest curl. So I found when I was on vacation, and mind you, it was probably more humid there, but it held the curl, but it didn't hold a tight curl. So the curls pretty much fell immediately, but the curl that it fell into, it held for a while. So if you are looking to do kind of like a looser curl, this hair is gonna be perfect for that. So this is the finished hair. I went ahead and did my makeup and everything. I absolutely love how my hair turned out. The curls are already falling, like I said, but if I like a little fallen curl look. So yeah, I think the hair turned out very gorgeous. If you guys are interested in purchasing, please be sure to check out the links in the description box. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please sure to give a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and last but not least, follow me on Instagram at Michaela Michelle. Bye.